Explain to them how the technical works.
Next time, do not listen to YouTube. Listen to me. When you go to put your belt on your car, you has your crankshaft right here. Put a tie in between it, and guess what? It's gonna do like that. It's gonna loosen your belt up so you can get it right on there. Thank you for joining my club. Okay. Instead of going, look, tell them, instead of going right there, go right here. Put your wrench right in here like this, just like that, and grab your bar. Grab this bar just like this. Let me show everybody. Put anything in there like that, and pull it. And it will go where you want it to go. See how it's doing it? Look, y'all. See? It's moving the tip. Do not use this. Use the crankshaft and that. See how it's moving? It's only where I want it at.